stuff along. Alright, let me... Always gotta get on the thing. Hold on. Come here. Okay. Hi. Hi guys, hang on. I am logging in. Give me a second here. Log in so I can see what you guys are seeing and if there's any comments or anything. Okay. Hi, Olivia. Is that how you say it? That's how you say it, right? Olivia? Yes. Okay. Let me just adjust here a little bit. Pull my camera up. Sorry, usually I'm a little more... Okay, good. Usually a little more organized than this, but I got the little one awake today. Usually he's napping. Okay. Now I can see everything. All right. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, as you guys come in, if you could do me a favor, just like normal, like always, hit that little share button. That kind of gives me a virtual hug, letting me know that you like what I'm doing. And when you come in, just say hi. Let me know who's there and who's watching. Today we are going to do a Valentine's project I'm so excited about. I think this is going to turn out so cute. Okay, so let me get everything. We're going to be using the red Chalkology paste today. So let me get that out. And get this. Let me get my squeegees. No, not right now. Go play. You're fine. Right there. Hang on. You want to see? Okay, you can see. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. My name is Gina with Real Stinking Crafty, and we are doing Chalk Couture. Oh, I need my wipes because it looks like there's a thing on there. I want to wipe that off. And today we are going to be working with the I Love You, a Bushel and a Peck transfer. Just part of it, not the whole thing, but we're going to be using that. And we're going to be using parts of the Build a Valentine. So we're going to be using 2 different transfers today. We're also going to be using, I got this really cute shadow box from Hobby Lobby for $8.99. We're going to be using that. A piece of copy paper. And this, oops. This here, I bought this from Michael's a while ago. But you can buy it at, you can get some at Joann's. You can get some at Hobby Lobby, Michael's. But it's basically an acetate paper. And this one just has some like white writing on it. Some cursive white writing. And that's, like I said, you can get that pretty much anywhere. So we're going to be using that. So that's what we're going to be using today. Get that out of the way. Okay. So let's do this first. I just went ahead already and took this off of the back. So we can work with this part here. I want to clean that off real quick. I know it's kind of early in the day, and I didn't really announce that I was going live, which usually I do. I usually announce when I'm going live this early, but like I said, I've got little man here who is not wanting to cooperate and take a nap, so I wanted to go ahead and do this now. Yes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and set up what I want to do with this. This is gonna go on the back part. Oh, it's gonna be so cool. Oh, also I got these. They're called scatters and fillers. Some of them are shiny and some of them are matte. I got these at Hobby Lobby. They're gonna go into it. I also have these wax seal stickers. I don't know if I'm going to use them or not. I picked them up at Target. I picked these up at Target, but I don't know if I'm going to use those exactly. Let me see. Okay, I want my angled squeegee. Okay, so let me go put little man down real quick. Okay, and we will get started. So, if anyone is watching this on the replay and you guys are new, I do have quite a few new people joining in the group. This is Chalk Couture. We use chalk paste and silk screen transfers. Anything that you ever see that I'm using will, can be found in my online store, which I will post after the live is over. If you ever have any questions, feel free to message me, or you can leave them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help and answer any questions that you guys have. Also, before we get started, I do want to mention that if anyone is interested in joining my VIP Chalkers group, go ahead and just leave a comment below that says me, and I will send you the link to join the group. Also, if anyone is interested in joining my team, go ahead and just post below, join, and I will get with you and answer all of your questions and get you invited to our opportunity call group. It's amazing. You get so much information, and it kind of lays it out for you. Like if you want to do this just as a hobby and you want to use the 40%, just to purchase whatever you want to play and have a hobby and decorate your house, or if you want to do this as a business, it kind of lays it out and answers all your questions, and it's awesome. I love the opportunity call group. So if you guys are interested, like I said, put me if you want to be in the VIP Chalkers group, or put join if you are interested. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you're gonna have to sit down right there. Okay, so I'm going to tape, because I want to reuse this shadow box more than once. So I'm just going to tape this to the back. I've already cut it to the size that it is, and I'm just going to lay it on here. Sorry about him, guys. And I'm just going to tape it. He needs a nap and he won't take one. Hey. So I'm just taping this down, so that way when Valentine's Day is over, I can reuse this shadow box. What? Okay, so where'd the red go? Okay, so move this out of the way real quick. And I am going to chalk on, let's see, did I put that on the wrong side? I sure did. Ugh, he's got me flustered, y'all. Alright, I gotta turn this around. Hold on. There we go. I'm like, why are the words looking a little funky? Yeah. Okay, so let's try this again. It goes this way. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what Mama said. Alright, I'll lay this. I'm going to get a new piece of tape because that one got weird on me. Okay. I promise this is quick. I said it was going to be quick in the thing. It will be if you don't have a 1-year-old who decided not to cooperate. Okay, so let's put that down there and get this all straight. Okay, so from the Build a Valentine, I'm going to use the heart that's in there. This right here, this is what I'm going to use. The heart from it. And I am going to mix up my red. And I think I'm going to need some water. Okay. Gonna need some water. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Let me get some water real quick. Alright. I'm just getting some water because my paste is a little dry. So, set this over here. Plus I need water for when I'm done with the screen. So we just need to add a little bit of water to the paste because it's just a little dry. And I'm just using a little dropper. And I'm going to mix that all up. Because you want it to be like a marshmallow fluff type of a look. Yogurty. Oh, did I get a phone call? I did. Sorry. Alright, I'm going to add just one more drop. Okay. Mix this all up. Okay, so move that and that out of the way. Since I have used this transfer, as you see, I've already marked the back, so that way you know which side to put it back on. And I'm just going to peel up. This is adhesive. And I'm just going to lay this on here. And rub out any bubbles. Sorry. It's nap time for someone. Oh, Chase, buddy. Okay, come here. Let's try and do this together, okay? Alright, so I'm just going to take this and we're going to rub this, swipe it right across. And the cool thing about this is it goes on paper. It goes on, as you're getting ready to see, acetate. This stuff is so easy to work with and goes on so many different things. Okay, so now I've done there. I kind of want to do one here. Just pushing that down. And we'll put a little more paste on here. And a little paste goes a long, long way. Yeah. Peel this up. And that one kind of came out a little distressed, but I like that look. It's kind of what I'm going for, is for this not all to be, you know, super perfect. I think I want this one, whoa, to go off the edge here a little bit. Mm-hmm. Yeah. A little more. Yeah. Yeah, you want to help Mama? Okay, we'll fill this one up. Okay, so we'll do one more. Yeah, I think we'll go this way with it. This one. There. Okay. Just tap that down. And add a little more. Okay. Then we'll just peel that one up, won't we? Oh, that one didn't. Okay. So that's okay, because what we'll do is we'll just go back over it. I'll just put this in the water, get it cleaned off, and we'll go over it again. No biggie. Okay, so here. We will let this dry and let that get cleaned off, and we'll move on to the next part. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to clean this off real quick. This is all you do, guys, in water. You just rub it. It does stain your fingers a little bit, so. And then I'm just going to lay this down. And then we're going to use a baby wipe, or not a baby wipe. Ugh. Baby on the brain. A disinfectant wipe. Wipe this up and let it dry. I think I'm going to have to probably stop this and deal with him and then come back. So that's what I'm going to do. I will be right back.